Hey dear host, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2014 Mini Cooper Smart Key.
What we need to prepare is the K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new key to be programmed. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find BMW. Select from type. Select CAS3. Backup and recover. Follow the prompts and click OK. Press Start button once. Click OK. OK. Update CAS3. Click OK. Press the Start button once. And click OK. Read the information successfully and click OK. OK. Make sure car battery is sufficient. Click OK. Click OK. Remove the key from the Start button. Take it out of the car and click OK. The information was read successfully and click OK. Update operation completed. OK. Program, delete key. Follow the prompts and click OK. Press the Start button once. Click OK. Click OK. The information was read successfully and click OK. Take the key out of the car. Click OK. Select an unused key location. Making key. Select IMMO coil is generated. Click OK. Follow the prompts and click OK. Select remote key. OK. Pull the card slot's baffle to the right and insert the key to be programmed. Click OK. OK. Put insert needed to program into car slot. Click OK. Writing key information. Follow the prompts. Click OK. OK. Complete. OK. Key programming successfully. Now, let's see if the keys work. Original car key. Step on the brake and press the Start button. The original car key was successfully started. New key. Step on the brake and press the Start button. The new key started successfully.
We have programmed